Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to install Android app on your computer with third-party software like Amazon Appstore and APK file installer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now to install your APK apps on your computer, first open your Microsoft Store on Windows, and after that search for Amazon App Store on your Microsoft Store like this. And you can see the Amazon App Store on the first of the list, and click on it to open it. And after opening it, simply install it first. Click on install button to install it like this, and the dialog box will open where you can see the install or the download option on the bottom right corner of the dialog box. And let's download it. And after downloading, it will be automatically installed on a computer. Let's restart your computer to install it properly, and let's restart. And after restarting your computer, again search for Amazon App Store on the Windows like this and open it. And after opening the Amazon App Store, first sign in to the Amazon account, or if you have not yet created an Amazon account, you can simply click on create a new Amazon account button to create a new Amazon account. Now let's sign in to Amazon account. You will be required to enter your email or your phone number and your Amazon password over there. Let's enter our credentials first. And after entering our password, let's click on sign in to log into Amazon App Store, and let's let it open. Now we will be required to add our phone number, but we can skip it. Let's click on not now and skip it. And now this is the preview of the Amazon App Store, and let's let it load. But if you are seeing the same screen as mine, the Amazon App Store won't be available on your region also. But don't worry, there is another way to install APK or your mobile Android applications on your computer. Even if the Amazon App Store is not available in your country, you will still be required to install it, because for the another third-party app which we are going to use, which will be the APK file installer, to run smoothly, we will be required to install the Amazon App Store. So don't delete it even if it doesn't work on your region. First, search for the Microsoft Store on the Windows like this and open it. And after opening, on the search bar, type in APK installer or APK file installer for Windows 11. You can see the APK file installer. Click on it, and after the page loads, click on the install button again. You will be required to download it the same way you did to install the Amazon App Store. And now let's install it. And after the APK file installer has been installed, just open it. Click on open to open it. And now again you can see the open APK file option available at the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Click on the open APK file again like this. And now you will need to select the APK file or Android application which you want to install on your computer. For me, it will be the vidmate APK, so let's choose it and install it. And let's click it, and again click on open, so it will load on the APK file installer. And you can see the vidmate has been loaded, and now we will be able to install vidmate on our computer. Let's click on install, and it will take a few moments to install depending upon your computer and your net speed. And you can see the launch button has appeared. Let's launch the vidmate. Or if you cannot launch your app from over here, just search for it on the Windows like this. You can see I'm currently searching for the vidmate over here on my Windows on my computer, and now you can find it. You can see the vidmate app after you install it from the APK file installer. Let's open it. If you are not able to open it from the APK installer itself, now this is the vidmate. You can see this is the proof that Android APK has been successfully installed on our computer. And there guys, this is how you download and install Android applications from the internet to your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.